Everything is working. Good afternoon. Hi, welcome. Welcome back, at least. Brock, thank you for the follow, by the way. I just saw that happen. Welcome to the stream. Ooh, 6 people at the start. I like that. Uh, well, by the time we're now, I don't know. Which stream is this? Oh, wow. It's the wrong one. Hold on. Episode 7. Coding in a galaxy far, far away. Let's call it not so far away. Not so far away. Needs to be different than the last one. So I guess you all know me now. For the ones who don't know me, I'm Hakan. I'm TeachMeJS. I'm learning how to code, starting from zero, going to hero, trying to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript first. Started off with HTML, CSS, JavaScript. We're gonna go there hopefully soon enough. Uh, yeah, I'm a chemist, but now I'm trying to start to learn how to code and do something with that. So let's just start off. Let's not fool around for too long. What did we do last week? Last week we had a few of our followers again assisting me in some stuff that I was doing. We were building we were building a hamburger menu bar for our website. Welcome Solo Follow Santasma Mimit. We were building a hamburger menu bar for our website. It was going well. It's starting to take shape. But during the week, and then our stream ended. During the week, I saw something on the internet and I liked how it looked. So I decided to put the hamburger menu bar on ice for a while. So we're parking it. We're not scrapping it, we're parking it. We're going to do something else. Because let me quickly say why. The hamburger menu bar would look beautifully on a mobile platform like an iPhone, an iPad, or whatever. So a smaller screen. I was thinking of having one in my regular size web page as well, but I decided to change my mind. I decided that I found something else that would look better, and that would be a sidebar. So I did a quick poll on Instagram, and a lot of people said yes. Well, everyone said yes. So we end up coding sidebars today. Now, of course, not knowing where I'm going to go, I can't. I'm a zero, so everything that I find on the internet, even though it looks appealing, I need to watch out what I'm doing because otherwise I'm streaming something that's just going to shit. So I don't want that. So that's why during the week off stream, I do tend to test some stuff. Uh, and I'm going to show you what I tested and what I did and where I found the code. So I'm not that professional yet to write the code myself, but I'm starting to understand what people have done to make that code look like that. That's how I'm learning right now. But I'm going to show you where I found the code, how we implemented it, what we've been doing in the back off stream, and how it's going. And we're going to give it more shape together again today. So let's start with sharing my screen. If everything goes well. There we are. So this is where we left off last week. We did the hamburger menu bar, and we attached our pages. Well, did we attach our pages? I'm not even sure. Yeah, we did, but we didn't do the infos and contacts and whatever. Only the to the stream button. But what we did was when you press on About Me, it would go to About Me, but we didn't implement the hamburger menu here yet, so that doesn't look nice. But like I said, I've been doing stuff off stream, so I'm going to show you that. Let's go to our new sidebar project, select folder. Let's just close this. Or I didn't even need to close it. Hold on. Reopen. It's going to say, yeah. See? Because we just closed that, it's now trying to search for the CSS and the HTML. It's not finding it properly. So we have this. But once we go live on this part of the code, so this is where I did implement whatchamacallit, the sidebar. So let's go live. And there it is. Although this looks not so good. Close it. Let me quickly check how it... Hey, what's going on here? I didn't tell you to be like this. Oh, okay, yeah. So it's the small pages again. It's doing the same shit with the smaller pages. But okay, so now we have this, I would say, very nice sidebar, which is working, by the way. So if you go to About Me, it will go to About Me, and you have, okay, so there's a few more text which I didn't, I didn't change them into comments yet in the code, but this is how it's going to look. So a few pages where I'm going to write some stuff, and down below the Linktree page. Although, hold on, while we're doing this, I may also, hold on, let me just refresh this page. I need to find something for this. We need to change the part where it looks for smaller screens and how it does that with smaller screens, because this is now, if I remember correctly, this is this part of the code. So it's looking for this, and somehow it's not working properly for this screen size. But whatever. What I wanted to check now, because I forgot how to do that, let's ask ChatGPT, our dearly beloved AI assistant. How can I make a link open in a new tab? I'm sure that it's something easy. Well, I know what it is. I just can't remember it, because we talked about this with some of our viewers that do coding a lot, and they told me how to do it, but I really forgot. How to make a link open a new tab in HTML code. Oh, come on. Link to new tab HTML. Yeah. I remember something with that underscore blank, but I wasn't sure. Okay. So I would say that we do it here, obviously. Hi, Rolisi, by the way. Welcome back to the stream. One more follow. Sinirzi54, thank you for the follow. Put it there, put it there, and put it there, and... Oh no, I don't want that to be like that. Hold on, shit. No, you go back. I only want it to be with Linktree. When staying in the website itself, they can go between tabs. I don't care. That's good, in fact. I think it would be better than having them open a new tab every time. Alright, save. Let's go back to our web page. And then, there it is. Okay, good. That's working. So, like I said, what we did, really see, I don't know if you got that in the beginning. So I didn't get rid of the hamburger menu. I'm just putting it on ice. We're going to park that idea for the time being. Oh, okay, good. All right, perfect. By the way, what I also did, I found these little SVG icons. Beautiful website, by the way. If you need free icons, as far as I understand, I checked everywhere, you don't need to, reference them at all. You can grab your icons from here. They're saying you don't need to reference, but it would be nice if you do. and they give you a nice zip file of all the icons, which we also have here now. Now these are called bikini, and you can use them for web pages. It's nice. I really like it. Hold on, let me quickly. Yes, like this. And then you can stay like that. I don't care. All right, so let's continue. So now that the sidebar is working, I'm going to try and do some stuff inside the other pages as well. First off, let's do this text thing. This looks bad. Okay, hold on. Go here. And here. If everything is right. Yeah, good. Excel, hello, thank you. Thank you for the follow. Okay, that's one. Let's go to about stream. Hold on, let's start here this time. And here. By the way, why am I doing it like this? I don't know. I really don't know. Doop, 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 doop. Alright. Just want you to be down here. Save. So if I'm right, it should work. Yes, it does. But now we also need to do this thing with the link tree. Oh, damn you. Okay, hold on. What's missing there? A lot of stuff. Okay. You know what? Let's just do it like this. I think that will be more clever. Nav. I think this would have been a lot more clever if I did that before, but why isn't there a div here? Oh, okay. Hold on, why is there a div here then? Oh, it's for the... But in that case, I need to watch out what I copy and what I don't copy. Control C. Let's go up here. Hey, slow down. And then here, pasted. I've had a very tiring week this week. Okay, it's working properly. All right. Oh, hey, is Turkish allowed or we keep it English in here? You can write Turkish. I will probably answer English, but depending on the situation, or I might just answer you in Turkish, but also translate it into English. So whatever you want. The whatchamacallit, in the tags it does say that we, oh, it doesn't say it anymore. Did I delete it? I probably did it too. Yeah, I deleted it. You can write Turkish. Okay, now I want to change this though. Why is it doing like that? Style. It's because of the display thing, I think. Okay, hold on. Hey, Brain Wiggins, welcome. Thank you for the follow. Hi, Alijan. Thank you. Let's go. Okay, we have this one here. Let's go and check out. Lots of love in the chat. Thank you. Okay, I want to know why it's acting like this. Is it because of... No. 364 is display block. Okay, let's try to make it flex. Yeah, didn't work here. No, the list is flex. It should not be. Okay, hold on. So should I... Let's... Okay, hold on. The list is flex. No, it isn't. Let's change it to flex then. Let's do as I always do. Experiment. No, that didn't work. There's another place where you have display flex and you need to either remove or change it. Okay, let's check out where we have display flex. Okay, so that's commented, so that's not working. We have this one here. Why do I have two codes here? I really need to sometimes sit down and do something about this. Okay, so this is working now. But let's delete you. Oh, hold on. Shh. Don't. So that's working. I need to sit down one day and really start to clean up my code, because at this point, as you can see, like, I am a zero and I'm trying to become a hero in coding, but like, this is all because of the zero thing. I'm just finding some stuff and pasting it here, and oh, it changed it, it looks nice, and then you get problems and then you try to fix it, but trying to fix it, I think if we really clean this up, we'd have what, max 200 lines, 250 max. Like, I really need to sit down one day and clean this up, check my code, see whatever is canceling out what, and if I really need it. But now my question is, why do we have this little thing here? Hold on. You should also remove unnecessary stuff like overflow X and overflow Y, because in this case you don't need it. Okay, let's go down. I'll tell you what. Where is that overflow X? Oh, you mean this part? Yeah, I've been keeping it. I don't know why. I don't know why I've been keeping it, but okay, let's go down. More, 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 more. Oh, you mean these with the scrollers, or where I just modified? You mean this one? There where I changed this. I changed display flex to display block here. Yeah, I changed flex to block here. Let's go up. I changed this one. Oh, you mean these? Oh, okay. Sorry, blind. Oh, there you go. Hey, that fixed it. It was that simple. Thank you. Okay, so, but what does it do? What does that do to create that little thing? Hold on, I'm curious now. S. I think it has to do with you. No, it doesn't. Maybe you? Nope, it doesn't. It's both of them. But okay, hold on. Specifies the handling of overflow in the horizontal direction, and this one in the vertical direction, of course. And what does auto do? Doesn't say. Auto, okay. Visible, hidden. Okay, so this doesn't even give you a chance to scroll. This does give you a chance to scroll, and this just chooses whatever is needed. Okay. But in this case, if I would say, hold on, let's just try and see what it does. It would also delete it. So, okay. But we don't need them, so we delete them. That's good. Let's see if our web page is still looking normal. I need to do something about this text as well because this text is hiding here behind. Oh, what I also need to do. Oh, yeah, I thought about that as well. Okay, never mind. Hold on. Let me just do this first. All right, so we have this main menu. It's somewhat, opaque. Well, it's not fully opaque. It's a little bit see-through. I think I need to change you here. Yeah, see? Nope. Nope. Oh, it's because I keep forgetting. Like I said, I need that mushroom button here. Also, so you don't have future problems, I'd also say remove justify content flex start. It works with flex, but your element is blocked, so it does nothing until you modify it in the future. Let's see. Justify content. And then what did you say? Flex start. Where is it? This one. Align menu items to the left on screen. Okay, yeah, we're not using this indeed. You learn something new every day. I didn't know you could press this and delete the whole line. Okay, so that's good. Also, we don't need this one either, I would say. Because in this case, it's saying if your page is minimum 1200 pixels, the navigation should be in the middle, but I don't want it to be centered. I don't need it to be centered anymore. Am I right? I think so. What's happening here? I open command. Yeah, it's remove the entire thing. Exactly. That's what I also thought. But I like this. I like that it is transparent now. Now I need to do something about this text. Hold on. Margin. Okay. So that's going somewhere. Let's do 20 pixels, and now let's see. Yeah, okay. That's somewhere better. But really, see, am I right? If I would really sit down and clean up this code, it would probably be a lot less, or not? I'd say it would. This is like crap right now. I have a different idea as well, because I'm not using these anymore. And I haven't used them for a long while. And these are all aimed, geared towards the regular menus. I'm just going to delete this. Properties that do nothing unless it's chained with another property. Yeah. By the way, what I was looking at today, let's see. See, we're already down to 296. I was looking at something today and I came to figure that I can't yet do anything like that. I was thinking of whether it is possible to, for instance, take this whole navigational part in whatchamacallit, in HTML, put this in a different HTML, like call it menu.html, which I was trying, by the way, today. You can see here, I was trying to build like a sort of menu.html kind of page where you could reference it, and then it would, for instance, you could change the code in that menu.html and it would affect all of the HTML pages if you reference it correctly. But as far as I understand, you can only do that, exactly, with JavaScript. Yeah, that's what I also found out. Or PHP. Well, I don't know about PHP, but I did find out JavaScript. So, but that's something that I'm still not confident in doing. So, uh, there will come a time where I will want to clean up my code, and where I want to take certain parts of the code and copy them into a different HTML, so that I can only do it, so that I only have to do it once. But so this is looking good right now. I really like where this is going. What I was also looking at today, there's a quick copy paste script. So then you only work with attributes here. Okay, hold on. Let's go. How to include HTML. Save the HTML you want to include in an HTML file, including the H number. Oh yeah, you're using. Hold on, yeah. I saw that somewhere today. I'm not sure if this is the same thing. Yeah, what I saw somewhere today was some web page, and I'm not sure if I'm saying this correctly. Some web page was using a lot of links to W3, and was most of their code was somewhere else. It's always the same, so you can just place it somewhere and use the attributes. Okay. Let's just... Hold on, what's... I... Okay, please explain to me. I think I'm just, I think I'm thinking something wrong, but the W3 they are referencing here. Yeah, no, I know. I am going to, but the W3 they are referencing here. Does it have anything to do with the W3 schools, or do they have, like, I don't know, something? Because like I said, today a website, I don't remember which one it was, but one of the website I was looking at was referencing a lot of their materials that you could see in the web. Oh yeah, Linktree. Yeah, hold on. Let me quickly tell you what I'm trying to ask, what I'm trying to understand. Like for instance, if you check out this SVG, it's referencing W3 org. Is this this picture is somewhere in here? It's linking. Yeah, no, that's what I'm trying to say. Exactly. That's not the same. All right. Okay. So what is this? What is this W3 org? What's it doing? Why is it, I feel me? While you're typing, I'm just going to go back here and I'm going to try it myself. Hmm. So yeah, okay. So that's just, they just use their own name. So that's what Dooku was also saying. They just use their own name W3, but it has nothing to do with a special type of, I don't know, library, code, program, server, I don't know. It's just, because they are W3 schools, they chose to name it that way. The SVG, yes, that's okay. That's offsite, that's server or whatever, whatnot. But that one, okay, okay, yeah, I understand. So what does the SVG thing? Uh, it's doing something with compatibility. Okay, but is it finding the file from so it's trying to find the file from somewhere else, or it has it stored somewhere else, and it's... It has nothing to do with files. It's more with browsers. It's like some... I'm just going to look this up. Okay, hold on. Namespace. A namespace is a set of signs that are used to identify and refer to objects of various kinds. A namespace ensures that all of a given set of objects have unique names so that they can be easily identified. Namespaces are commonly structured as hierarchies to allow reuse of names in different contexts. As an analogy, consider a system of naming people where each person has a given name as well as a family name shared with their relatives. The first names of family members are unique only within each family. Then each person can be uniquely identified by the combination of first name and family name. There's only one Jane Doe, though there may be many Janes. Yeah, okay. Yeah, what I've read until now, I'm not planning on digging any deeper. Indeed. Mm, mm. Okay. All right. Let's go. Let's close you as well. Now, what I don't understand, mind you, I said different types with HTML and XML don't do the same thing. No, okay, yeah. There's also something else, like what was it, SHTML or something like that. There's many different kinds of stuff. Like I know I had a feeling, but now I know that I'm just scraping a little bit from the top right now. But slow and steady. I'm going to learn this. I'm going to learn this. But now I have a question. Like I pressed the I did press the what was this? Try it yourself. And now it's giving me, of course, a few of these links going to somewhere. It's getting them out of here, right? Am I right? Or am I wrong? Or is it coming from, oh, it's coming probably from this one, include HTML. My face cam is in the... All right. That's an easy fix. I could have fixed it. No, I couldn't fix it differently. I can't scroll down. But yeah, so it's grabbing the information from this HTML and the script is saying include that HTML. So what it's doing now is it's taking all the information that is coming from this HTML and putting it into this code. Exactly. Yeah, so the information is coming from content, the script is running the content. Stop. Go here. Stop. All right. Okay, but now let's go back to our thing because, like I said, that's a thing that we're going to do in the future with the plugging in HTMLs into our code and making this a lot simpler. That's something for the future, but I really want to look into that because let's just be honest. If you have to every time go and change something here and also change it here and change it here and that's not fun. That's really not fun. I'd prefer to have it in one HTML. Just change the common parts in one HTML, save it, and then everything should run correctly. But that's like I said, it's for the future. By the way, I like how this is transparent now. I maybe need to make this a little bit smaller though. It's a bit too big if you ask me. I think I made it about 500 pixels. Am I right? Yeah, there it is. Let's make it 300. Yeah, that's a lot better. Okay. So what I want to do now is add a live. Well, no, add a no, not add. It's called embed a Twitch video player into your own website. It's not going to work, I know, because Twitch is probably going to ask me. Twitch needs a valid website, and this is not a valid website. It's, but if I can get it somewhere running on my page, it would be nice. Live content or video on demand. Okay, so users of embedded Twitch are authenticated in the same way as the Twitch website, and login is a seamless, lightweight experience. Logged in users can chat, follow a channel, or subscribe to a channel. If a user attempts to perform one of these actions while not logged in, they will be prompted to log in or create a Twitch account. Okay, overlays. The Twitch embed contains buttons for sign in, follow, and subscribe in an overlay above the player. In some cases, clicking a button opens a pop-up window that allows the user to complete the desired action, for example, navigate through the payment flow or create an account. In others, it automatically goes through with the actions such as following. The name of the channel being watched is an overlay that appears when you hover your mouse over the name of. Yeah. On embeds, these titles do not link back to Twitch. Add a placeholder element with a unique ID to your page where you want the Twitch embed to be displayed. Load the Twitch embed JS. English error 404. Load the Twitch embed JavaScript file. Initialize the Twitch embed object with a placeholder element ID and options. If your site will be embedded on other domains, you must include them as a JavaScript array of strings under the parent key. So it is going to let me do some JavaScript stuff. Or not. Am I right? Am I wrong? Yeah. Maybe it would be easier to just steal it off of someone's web page or something like that. Or let's just try it. Fuck it. Let's just try it. No, go back. Let's just try it, It's in the body. It's below the menu. HTML. Yeah, we can delete this because we already know it's a body. So delete this as well. I don't think this is going to work properly, but hey, we can try. Hey! It is working. Hold on. I like this. Okay, this went easier than I thought. This went a lot easier than I thought. I wonder if I change. Hold on. I think. Hold on. I think we may have. It's working. I didn't expect it to be this easy. Check this out. Hold on. Let me just close this page here because I don't know how it's going to fuck my internet, but That just worked a lot easier than I was expecting. Hi Adam, welcome to the chat. Okay, so this went a lot easier than I thought. Okay. Uh, what I am going to do though is Twitch embed. Hold on. Uh, sorry, we were here. I want to look how it works here. Section, not section. Twitch. What was your name again? Twitch embed. What the fuck are you doing, Hakan? God knows. Margin left. Let's do what? 50 pixels? Margin top. Let's do. Let's say a lot 30 pixels to make it look. Nope. 50. Okay. Let's see what's written. A tiny bit, but it's not too bad. It's exactly the same as the example, and they have a list of you can add additionally. You also want to put div id Twitch embed where you want the video to be. Well, in this case, this is where I want it to be, so I might only need to, touch up the page, make it look a lot more nice, but this is nice, I would say. It's on the website now, so there we have something, and it runs. Okay, so we went into a loop there. Is it going to fuck up my internet? Is it going to do something to my frame rates? It's not good. I have to say I'm happy with how it went. Okay, let's go back to home. So now we have our own stream and our own website, which is yeah, I tried this. So I have my own domain, which is teachmejs.nl for Netherlands. It's now offline, obviously, because we're busy doing some stuff, trying to build a website. Once that's done, I'm going to post it there. But I get this from Strato. So Strato is my Strato is my domain holder, and they have a builder, which it doesn't work for me. I tried to add. Nice to not touch it with styles. You want to add another element or something? Hold on. Yeah, that's perfect. The random suggestion, because a lot of APIs are not benevolent. Usually, when you get an element from an API, it's nice to not touch it with styles. You want to add another element around it, something to keep in mind. So, uh, hold on. What you're saying is this probably or not? Am I wrong? is it not closing properly? Hello? Hello, darling. Where are you? It should show me, right? And it's not. Am I doing it wrong? Only open and close the div around the embed. Well, that's already, so I don't need to do anything else, you mean? Because it already has a div. Oh, I see where it's going wrong. You open this and it closes here, so I needed to put it outside. Yeah, you're right. But so, because this Twitch embed is already inside a div, I don't need to do anything else. Oh, do it again. So like div. You mean this way? I think this is what you mean. And you use the outer div to style. So not write it in style, but write it inside the code itself. So write it in the HTML is what you're trying to say. So in this case, you are saying style margin left 50 pixels, margin top 50 pixels, and then delete this. Well, hold on, but where are we? Sheesh. Okay, about stream. Go back here. Add a class to it. So hold on. Okay. Let's call it Twitch video player. Well, let's just call it embed. And let's just call you video. No, let's call you video player. Let's call you video player. Oh, container. That's a good one. I never thought about that. If you're struggling, yeah, I struggled with names there. But okay, so what you're trying to say, let me quickly understand and recap what you're just saying. What I just did was I styled the idea. You're saying don't style the idea, style the class. Am I right? I put the styles inside Twitch container. Yeah, exactly. So I did understand that, albeit very late, but correctly. Twitch container, curly braces, margin top. Let's start with top this time. Margin left. All right. About the stream. That didn't work. Oh. Darn you. Yeah, I saw that late. I don't know what I pressed, but that was a small mistake on my side. Doesn't matter if it's an ID or a class, you just want to leave the HTML given from the API alone so it doesn't complain with scripts and you style with your own HTML. Yeah, okay. I understand what you're trying to say. Just, keep the package as a package and just put your own bow on top of it. That's pretty much what you're saying. But in this case, this looks nice. I could change this, for instance, I would say, but I'm not going to touch it at all. Oh. You're welcome. You see, you're not the only one teaching people. I'm also teaching people. Put your own bow on top of it. Ay, ay, ay. All right. So now we have this. I don't want to start with the about me part, but I do want to start with the contact me part. And I want to use I've CodePen, right? Like, I don't know why, but I really love it. I really love CodePen. I had ChatGPT. Now this is my second favorite. Contact me page. Like, it's probably I could do it myself, but I'm just going to go do it easy. Oh, just going to quickly go off screen. Sorry. Sign up. Sign up. Sign up. Authorize. There you go. Let's go. I don't care. Contact me. Page. Okay. Let's put you to the side. That would be something that I'd like to have, something like that. A form where they can fill out their details. Contact form. This. Oh, this looks nice and simple. JavaScript. I don't know why they did this in this cascading style, but okay. Especially for challenges. What kind of challenges? Okay, so here comes a question. I have a question for you guys. Because I copied a code today like that, and inside of that code there was something like this at import, and then it gives an URL. And what it does for this one, I understand, it imports the font family. I'm okay with that, but the code that I was doing today, I don't remember, but the code that I was doing today, oh wait, hold on, let's just search it like this, maybe I'll find it immediately. Oh, come on. CodePen. Start again. Sidebar. I think it was this one. Well, not. It's not. But what it did was the same as this one is doing. cssbattle.dev. Oh, I have one for you. close that again. So what for instance, this one, but it's also both fonts. Okay, never mind. I'm answering my own questions right now. That's okay. That's okay. Yeah, let's. You know what? I want to do this. I'm just going to copy this one. We'll change the colors and the codes and whatever whatnot in a minute once it's inside. But what I am going to do is I'm going to start, you know, coding some stuff in different pages because this is not going to work for me. File, new text file. Let's go with CSS. Let's save you, save as, new sidebar, style, contact, save. Let's close the about me. Let's close the about stream page. Let's close this menu page, CSS. Now I don't need to copy a lot. I can copy this one. So if I remove this background part, I have a feeling yeah, hi Albertina, welcome. I really like the Flexbox Froggy. Like I didn't do a lot. I came to like level 11, but it really, like you said, it really explains. I put a comma right after a Sumi. Huh? Okay. I don't understand, but you can put a comma after a. What I like about Flexbox Froggy is it also tells you what it does. Like flex direction defines the direction of the main axis. Like you have three options. You can say row, you can say row reverse, you can say column reverse. Justify content aligns flex items along the main axis. You can say flex start, flex end, center, space between, space around, space evenly. Like it explains to you what every little thing does. Align items. You know, it you can then start, you know, changing the code a little bit until those froggies, the green one is here, the yellow one is here, and the red one is here. So it's very nice. I really like that. So hold on, let's close you. There's many pages open right now. Strato, close Strato as well. ChatGPT can go to hell right now as well. I'm just going to quickly check something. I like this, but not too much. Too many questions asked. This one is okay, but it doesn't give an email. This one does give an email, so I like this, but we need to delete the phone number thing because we don't want phone numbers. I really don't. Oh, this one is good. I can remove this one and make my own one. Make my logo here. We're going to use this one. I'm going to delete you as well. Let's have a clean overview of our web pages. You should try its grid game, which has a similar. If you, could you please, Albertina, could you please send me the link as a whisper, please, so I can quickly check that and paste it onto the web page as well, because I'd really love to. I'm, as you can see, I'm putting it in my CS50 page. I'm for people that don't know, I'm trying to learn how to code, and I'm using many tools for this, including ChatGPT. But I'm also enrolled into the CS50 course from Harvard X, which is Harvard, but it's open, it's free, and they give very nice uh, tasks. They give very nice homeworks. Like I've done the C homeworks now, which you make a Mario map. Well, you don't make the map, but you make a part of the map. It's very fun, and I'm learning a lot of things from this as well. Like a lot of things, to be honest, and I'm very happy about that. And you can also, if you don't want to enroll, all these videos are also on YouTube. You just need to search for CS50, or you can search for CS50X Free Code Camp. So what Free Code Camp did is they combined all the videos into a 24-hour clip, 25 hours if you count, if you put 9 minutes on top of that. So you have 25 hours of content and they explain everything. You start off very basic, what's internet, blah blah blah, and then first first week is called week 0. They do some scratch stuff. So, but what are we going to do? Let's go to. Hey, stop! I don't want to hear you again. Oh, there it is. All right, here you go. This also looks nice. In fact, it's pretty much the same as the Flex Frog. So I'm putting that here as well, and I'm going to look at this as well, Albertina. Thank you. Thank you for the tip. But so yeah, so if you look for CS50X Free Code Camp, what's the syllabus? I hear you say, sure. Week 0 Scratch, Week 1 C, Week 2 Arrays, Week 3 Algorithms, Week 4 Memory, Week 5 Data Structures, Week 6 Python, Week 7 SQL, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Flask, and emojis. There's also something else that they have, which is also I'm going to try and find. Oh yeah, there's many other. That's what I wanted to show you. There's also many other stuff that you can attend. Like you can attend, you can enroll into the game development. They also have something on AI, Python, where they go in deeper, and it's all free. You can pay, about $150 for a verified certificate. What is a verified certificate? I hear you ask. Well, if you finish the course, they tell you, hey, congratulations, and you can write on your CV that you finished the CS50 course. It's all nice and well, but what if your employer says, hey, how do I know that you really finished it? You can get it verified. It's not like you get a diploma or something like that. No, but you can say that you finished it and you have proof that you did it, official proof. Harvard supports this, and it's nice. Like view all courses. There. What do they have? Computer science. Like they have the CS50X, which I'm doing right now. You have the game development, programming with Scratch. If you have a child, this would be perfect to start off. TinyML fundamentals, deploying, computer science for lawyers, like if you need it. Data science with Python. Hold on, they had some other stuff. I'm trying to find it. Hold on. Where is? Let's just close you. School, Harvard. Was it School of Engineering and Applied Sciences? Yeah, it was. Okay, I don't know where they are right now. I'm having trouble finding them, but they did have some courses on Python and so on and so forth. But there's, as you can see, there's many courses. If you need to do sports core exercises, they have that as well. And there, most of them are free. As you can see, some of them are not that expensive, $30. But business pricing strategy. That's if you're working in the business sector, if you're in marketing, which I'm sure most of you aren't, but these kind of things you might need. So uh, it's nice. Let's get back to our code though. So the contact page, like I said, I want to do the style page, a new style page for this. So let's start here. Yeah. Style contact.css. Did we copy this into the right folder, by the way? Is it here? Yeah, it's here. Okay. All right, nice. Now, let's start off with stealing some code. Let's copy this. And we can change everything we need according to our wishes. Okay, so we have the menu here. We have this here. Okay, hold on. I can... I don't need that. I don't know what this cross origin is, but I need to figure that out. Let's check. Div, 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 div. Okay, so something is going wrong with this body. What's going wrong? What did I do wrong now? So body starts here. And it should stop here. It's not picking this up. Yeah, I need to change you. I know. You look like shit. Body. Yes. Div nav. If I'm right, it should come here without any problem, and then we have this div. Comes down to here. It's saying optional JavaScript. If it's optional, then I don't need it. It's that simple. Now, as we've done that, now we need to copy the style into here. And if everything is correct, something is going wrong. What is going wrong? Yeah. Let's just try something. Okay, so hey Batu, welcome. We had a very nice battle yesterday with Batu. We played some Warzone. I'm a normal one. This guy here, the one that just wrote "yo," is one of my best friends from Turkey, and I only met him in person once. But I have to say, there's sometimes you just have that feeling where, you know, your friends, it's a good friendship. How may I help you? So I need to. Don't go sentimental, Boto. Don't go sentimental. Don't start crying. We don't want to see you cry here. If you're going to cry, go. uh, yeah, no, 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 no. I don't want you. I'm going to change this. Hold on. Let's just do this quickly. Control C. Yeah, that's searching whatever this is. We're going to delete this. And we're just going to give it our HTML. Hold on, which one was it? Image HTML. Here you go. Was it the SVG? Was the PNG? So the PNG. There you go. You already cried. Cry me a river. Ah, didn't know you could do this. Okay, let's see. So what's going wrong? I need it to look just like it did on this web page. Why isn't it doing that? I'm going to do something. See what it does if I do this. Okay. Okay. So, all right, hold on. But it's not referencing it anywhere, although it is here in the bottom. Oh, I deleted that. Of course I deleted that. Yeah. Why would I keep it? You know? Why would I fucking keep it? Why would I fucking keep it? I don't know. That's just me. Let's try this again. Yeah, but it's still not working as it should. As you can see, it's F5 it, but it's not going to change anything. Style, contact, CSS. Okay, so we copied this one correctly, no problem, except for the width, which we deleted or we changed. Hold on. No, we made that 200 pixels. Let me just delete you, just for testing sake. And it didn't do anything. hold on. Let's just do this slowly. So we have our container. In this container is a form wrapper. It's doing a lot of stuff here, which it's probably pulling out of its ass here somewhere. Checking Copen in the head of HTML if there's no other CSS loaded. There shouldn't be. Hold on. Let me quickly open. The only bad thing about having so many screens is you lose your mouse quite easily. Okay. Yeah. It has. You're right. You're right. Contact, let's go up and paste it. Yeah, see? You're right. Totally right. So now it's looking. Let me just open your page again for you, because having two web pages open is sometimes, you know. So this is working now. It looks nice, at least. Let's put it like that. It's the wrapper's not working. Why? Don't ask me. But really, I couldn't care less. I really couldn't care less. What I want to do now is I want to know where the emails will go to. So, submit. So when it submits, yeah, hold on. Title, logo, href. Like, there is no href. But here you go. There you go. Bye bye. So tell him that you need a backend for this to be secure and do something meaningful. Oh, come on! You get this one from me. So wait, there's no possibility that I can do anything with this? Like, the only possibility would be for me to do. Oh, someone is giving me a shout out. Let's just give them back. Okay, quickly, who's the shout out for? Yarnchar TV is my little brother. He streams War Thunder. He streams Warzone. He streams in Turkish, but you know, that never kept Roylisi from joining him and watching him stream. So thank you, by the way, Roylisi, for visiting my brother every now and then, showing the love for the family. So happy that I see you there sometimes. Uh, he does some, yeah, he does some. He hasn't done War Thunder in a while, but when we play War Thunder, we play War Thunder like we fuck him up with an F-16. Uh, And now lately he's been playing a lot of Warzone. I've been joining him in the streams as well. He's trying. Yeah, he's trying to learn Turkish. Like he's saying merhaba and I don't know what when he's joining the stream. So he's learning a few words. But he's been streaming Warzone lately, and I've been playing Warzone with him as well for a while now. I have to say, Warzone 2 is shit. I like Warzone 1 more, to be honest. There's many aspects of Warzone 1 that are just, better than Warzone 2, but that's just me. Okay, so let's go back. You can do something with JS, but nothing that requires a login because it exposes your password. I don't want people to log in. I don't want people to log in. What I do want them to do is that they can do this, Hakan, and then mail, and then, for instance, info@teachmejs.nl. Do you have any merch? What? You can do something with JS, but nothing that requires a login because you'd expose your passwords. I don't want that. I meant in the case that you're trying to send an email. To send an email, you need to log in as your application. What I was saying, though, I don't know if you're referencing to what I was saying, was to use the mail too. And then whatever application they're using, that just opens up and, puts me in the two. But is there a way that we can do, that they can send me an email? See, this is the email where it's going to go to as well. So I'm just writing this here just to have that filled. Is there a way to make them send an email to this address when they complete this form, or do I really need to have backend for that? Oh wow, we're having lots of problems with our frame rate. We had a quick package loss. I'm still here. What am I doing? Like, I'm typing. I really need to stop doing this. I really need to stop doing this. I really need to understand that I have multiple screens open and that I'm typing on a different screen. What I want them to do is, then I need to have backend. Okay. So this is not working yet for me. But I'm going to keep this here. I am going to keep this here. For the simple reason. Yeah, exactly. That's not what I want. Well, that's okay. I'm okay with that for, an easy fix. But once I have like a full website going, I want it to work. In this case, it has to work with backend in that case. So I'm going to keep this here. The reason I'm going to keep this form here is we're not ready yet for this. But there will be a time when we're ready, when we have backend, when we can do backend, and where this form will come in handy. For the time being, I'm just going to keep it here, and the, then you will make a PHP file. Okay, and PHP that okay. Quickly for me, PHP will that fix my backend problem? Okay, yeah, exactly. That's what I thought. Well, I do have my very small storage space. So on the server, when I want to upload my website, I do have some space where I could load my PHP onto as well. Okay, we're going to do that. Not now, but we're going to do that in the future. But for the time being, we have a nice we have a nice contact me page here, so I'm happy with that. We're just going to wait for when we understand a little bit of PHP, when we can start coding some stuff there. I do have to say, by the way, let me quickly let's check how it looks on the phones and so on and so forth. So this is how it would look on an iPhone. This, of course, we need to do something about the text size and the how it's going to become smaller and whatnot. But other than that, this guy works. I would say it works. Oh, I really like this. This is good. I didn't want you to go to Linktree immediately, but okay. Okay, so this works for phones as well for me, so I'm happy with that. That's not bad. Although maybe it would be clever to... Maybe what would be clever is... Mm, mm. Okay, let's brainstorm. That it means I'm going to ask you a question. You don't need something extra when it comes to PHP. You just replace all files with PHP instead of HTML and add extra bit of code on some of them. Well, we'll come there. I want to understand how PHP works, but not now. Now I have a question for you. So, hold on. Like, we have... This is the iPad version, okay? I want to add a small symbol here. Hold on. Let me quickly... Yeah. I want to add a small symbol there. A small logo, a small picture, image here. Like, for instance, an arrow pointing outward. But, and now comes the big but, I don't want that little symbol to show when we are in the big size page, because then you don't need it, because as soon as you come here with your mouse, it opens up. So it's the hover function. But when you're with the iPad or when you're with the phone, you need to like press it for that sidebar to open. So here's my question to you guys. Is there a way to add, and I think we'd have to add it, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? We'd have to add it underneath here. Open sidebar. Doesn't need to be referenced. It doesn't need to be, it doesn't need to have an href. A span would be nice. Text can go away. Let's go to our file. Okay, so yeah, I think I know what you're trying to say. I'm going to come back to that in a minute. Nope. Oh, darn you. Guest mode. I closed the web page. Need to open it again. Go there. Okay. Continue. Let's come here so you guys can see what I'm opening. Nope. Yeah, that's a lot of bikinis, I know. Bars. Well, no, that's Wi-Fi bars, though. I don't want that. No. 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 Nope. No. Nope. Sure not. We already using that. A cart. Nope. A chart. Nope. A chat. Also nope. Circle at. Nope. We're using that for Linktree. Circle check. Nope. Remove. Nope. 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 Oh. Well, this could probably be one. Let's just continue. Ah, expand. Yeah, I was looking at 3 vertical dots as well, but I think expand would be a better option for there, or wouldn't it? Okay, so we're busy here. Bikini S, 60S, expand. I could have just written it, but fuck this. Close it. Open a browser. Close this. Save it. Nice. But now, should I write it in span? I think I should write it in span. Style. Align center, I think. Of course not. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Okay. Dup. Hold on. Why am I doing this to myself? Dup. It should be somewhere here. Linktree, okay. Position absolute. Okay, how can I think it has to be with this justify thing. Hold on. Let me quickly check. Okay, let's try that. I have a good feeling about this. I have a good feeling about this. And I shouldn't. Maybe. Flex, direction, column. Hello. Is it me I'm looking for? Oh, darn you. Darling, I missed ya. I have a sidebar. I have images in the sidebar. I want one of these images to be centered on the vertical axis. And my darling, oh, she was just writing. Right again, darling. Nope, it's not working. Did I forget to save anything? Everything is saved. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay. Oh, by the way, I remember. What was it again? Something to do with the cursor. Hamburger CSS. Hold on. Cursor pointer. Yeah. See. Okay. Hold on. Go back. Close this. I want to add that as well. Cursor pointer. I'm just waiting to say display flex for that. Is it? I have a feeling you're fucking with me right now. At least the pointer is working. That's good. You're just waiting. Well, stop waiting. Start talking. Do we need to get my guns? Oh, hold on. What am I doing? What did I just do? God knows what I just pressed. I know what I just did. Let's go back to you. Let's go here. And then... You know the rules, and so do I. Say goodbye. Tell me. Do I really need to cry? Or, hold on. No, it's not working. You didn't see the CSS for all the menu. You didn't see the CSS for all the menu. There's a lot going on here. Which one do you want? See, I was thinking, and I should really stop thinking, but I was thinking, should really stop thinking. I did that, I would say. Let me just, but no, if I do that, I'd probably fuck up more. You know what I'm going to do? Unity 4, no, it wasn't there. Where were we? Where were we? Where were we? We were in general, I think. Did we have, I think we had it somewhere here. Oh, I think the thread closed. CSS file sidebar. In fact, let me quickly change. No, never mind. Leave it like that. And then we are going to do this as well. Because I know you're probably going to ask for that as well. You can hover on the general, it will show threads. Yeah. You can see I'm a noob in many stuff here. Oh, there you see. Code sharing. You're right. Never knew that. Thank you. But now we have a new one. Open sidebar, you can set, okay, let's try that. Let's go down here. I'm just going to change it inside here because position absolute, which is a bloody fine brand vodka if you ask me. Top 50%. It's probably going to fix all my problems. And it didn't. Am I doing something wrong with the style, maybe? On UL class is open, not on span. Hold on. On open. Let me quickly understand. Where is that? HTML 2 lines up. In HTML 2 lines up. On UL class open. Not on, yeah, but it's not on span. Oh. 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 Huh. I see what you're saying. And we copy this, paste it here. Captain Jean-Luc Picard. Let's
Uh-oh, retard alert! Retard alert, class!
but I want to give this one to Dooku and Roylisi. You guys, you have an energy, and I'm happy that you're still around. Others would have ran away 20 times by now, so. Thank you. I do a very well Picard. This looks a lot better. Now let's see. Let's see. Let's open this. Let's go wide. Uh-huh. Never mind. Ah, but see, that's also something. Oh, could it be? Could it stay there? I don't know. Maybe. But no. Yeah, I'm not going to move anything in my sidebar. I think it, as it looks now, I think it looks nice. So that's going to stay like this. But now my second question is, I want this to be gone when it's opened. Oh, I want a lot of stuff, don't I? And I don't want this to show. Okay, hold on. Yeah, no, yeah, stop. Yeah, I. Okay, hold on. Let's do this. Let's remove this because that's not going to work like that. I don't want that to be like that. And then we go to not this one, but down here. Where was it? It was here. Okay. So navul, but we're going to call it open sidebar. So navul open sidebar. Let's put the dots in front of it. Add pointer events, none on. Okay, do that for you. Let me quickly do this. Pointer events, none. What does this do? Let me quickly see what it does. A given element can be the target element for a pointer event. What does it do though? Oh. So you want me to do it like this? Okay, but now here's the problem. It's showing when I don't want it to show. So what I am going to do is only screen and minimum width. Sidebar. Visibility. Hidden. Hey! You see what I did there? Did you see what I did there? No, but hold on. Did you see what I did there? Can anyone explain what just happened? Yes, exactly. That is what happened. I just wrote that media code without having to look or ask ChatGPT.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Happy days. Happy days. Proud of myself. But why did we remove the pointer though? I really want to. Hold on. This is. Why did we remove the pointer event? But here's something else. I need to quickly check. Okay, so now I need your help though. Someone touches it, it will highlight itself with pointer event. It makes the element be untouchable mouse, and since it's for mobile, so there's no reason for any cursor event. Oh, okay. There's no reason for any cursor event specifically on that element, but that's just aesthetic. No, I'm okay with that. But now comes my question. Look at this part of the code, because I'm sure that it's somewhere in here. Okay, so what I'm looking is probably somewhere in these three parts, in these three classes, sections, or whatever you want to call it. I'm still learning, but whatever we're looking for is in here, and I don't know. I'm not confident with what it says, so that's why I'm asking you. I need to know what I can do to make this disappear. So whenever it opens, that it disappears. And I also need to do something else because this looks a bit shit. Let me quickly check. 820. Whenever it's smaller than 820, I would say. Yeah, let's do that. Hold on, let me quickly see this. What? No, go back. I want you to be At media, only screen and max width. 800. Let's quickly check. iPad Pro 12.9. Screen size, pixels. Resolution, but okay, hold on. No, screen viewport. Nah. But I think as soon as you have an iPad Pro, it's big enough. If it's a 12.9. So let's go down to the regular iPad 10.9 screen size VW. What am I doing? See, this would have been better. Hold on, I'm going to read everything you just wrote. I'm now quickly checking this thing with the iPads, what the screen size is. It's also 1024. Okay. Open sidebar. Now let's just close everything. Save this. Why did this go up again? Index. But that's style CSS. So index doesn't have. Hold on. Do I have index? Oh, I do have index, but there should be anything in it. It's like empty. Where did I forget what? Oh, thank you. H and oh, there you go. Yeah, perfect. Hi, Morlitz. Welcome. Okay, let me quickly read what you wrote. Because when someone touches it, it will highlight itself. Yeah, we had that. Aesthetics. We got rid of it. I know what you mean, and it doesn't have to do with the code you highlighted. That's for scrollable areas and A elements. You should find something like main menu, hover in your code. Then you need to add something. Actually, not even that. Well, looking through the code you sent. Could you also send index.js in Discord as well? Like I said, you have the index, but it's like an empty file. There's nothing in it. The JavaScript file. Hi, Morlich. Welcome, by the way. I wonder where our Turkish friend is. There should be some code for the hover thing. Based on my CSS, there should be some code for the hover thing. wish I really didn't close that page today. Let's quickly check history. Just go down here so you don't see which porn pages I check. CodePen. React sidebar. It should be this one then. No, it isn't. Go back. No. This one maybe. Nope. I think it's this one. So I'm going to put you a link in the chat, which is the CodePen I found it in. How is it going so far? Well, it's not going that bad, Moritz. Like, we've been doing the sidebar thing now for a while. We've added this expansion. Well, it's just a SVG, but it doesn't matter. We've added this expansion thing, and with a lot of help. And I'm still very shit. I can see that every time, I'm doing this stuff. I can see that I'm not good in coding yet. Thanks to the help of Rolise and Arduku, we got this expansion button down here into the middle. Now we are trying. Well, that's what I want, and they're helping me a lot in finding a way to get this one deleted whenever we're hovering over the page. So whenever we're hovering with the sidebar. So the task is to remove the expansion SVG symbol whenever it's open. What I don't understand though is why are you acting so stupid now? Did you, by any way? How big is my screen here? Hold on. How big are you? Display settings. This one? This one? Okay. What's going on? Oh, fuck me in the ass. Now it's good. You sent something in Discord. Let's go to Discord. You have main menu, hover, open sidebar, hide it here, I think. Okay, hold on. Let's go there. I have main menu, hover, which it's here. No, it's not, but it's here. Okay, I see what you're trying to say. Expanded. Hold on. Let's do it. Open sidebar. Leave it there and go here. Also open sidebar. And then visibility hidden. No, don't edit that. Okay. Go back, go back, go back. Okay. Now, add a new one in the sense of, all right, copy. That's not how I want it. Yes. That's still not how I want it. Yes. And then add it here. Open sidebar. Open sidebar. Expanded open sidebar. Hide it here. I think you use visibility hidden. So hold on. I think you want me to delete this. Stupido!
Uh-oh, retard
Reserve
alert.
this one.
Retard alert, class.
Okay. Now let's check. No. Should we add media it? What do you think? Like, I would say somewhere here. And now let's delete this one quickly. Yeah, it's not showing. There's something else that's hiding it. Undo what I just did and leave it at top. X. Go up here and paste it. Pasty tasty. All right. This is also gone here, as you can see. Now we need to find what's hiding it on this screen size. Okay, then let's do it like this. Now, no, hold on. Can you check online 19? Where? Here. Really? But it's still not showing though. Let's refresh it. Let's inspect it again. Let's just, quickly change it from here to here again. I saw it in your elements. You saw it in my elements. Okay, hold on. So, media only screen until a max width. Okay. Oh. Oh. Oh, damn you. Ladies and gentlemen, Royalisi and Arduku, the real heroes of this show. Hakan? Well, Hakan.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
It's fixed. Like, that's important. And when we close this, okay, hold on. Up. Hold on. Hold on a minute. Let's just cut you out. And then at media only screen and minimum width. There's too much code in here. Why? Oh, because of course this is a smaller screen. Because this is what, 900 or something like that? No, go back. I don't want you. Okay, so this is, if you think about it, close this. This is about this size, I would say. So that's 900 and so what pixels wide. So if I'm saying over here, over where? Well, as I was saying, because I just said, okay, if someone has an iPad, they should be able to, they should know that they don't need this or something like that. And then I did some things with my code, which, okay, let me quickly fix this. I know what I'm doing wrong here. It's one of those times that I do know what I'm doing wrong. I'm going to clean this part of the code up. Let's take this. This is until 1199. And I'd say I'd also want it to be here. also want it to be here. And I'd also want it to be here because we said up until the point of 1199. So that's all of these. Now with this, we can pretty much close you because we don't need you anymore. Then we have this part, which is that this one is hidden. And I don't want it to be everywhere. I want to not see it here anymore. So I would have to add it here. No, no. Go back. Add it here. And I also want to, hold on, let me quickly do that as well. At media, only screen, and minimum with pixel. I'm going to copy you in there as well. So in this case, we can close. You need a command to yell at you so people to get you. Yeah. I'm going to add a voice thing in here, and I'm going to give it to only a certain amount of people like yourself. That. Oh, we're being raided. Oh my god! Oh my god! We are being raided by a monster. No, he's my little brother. So I guess your gaming is done now? So I guess you're going to be a social person again? Maybe? Yeah, you're going to socialize. Good for you. Probably your socialization means talking with your girlfriend? Yeah, a couple of things to do. Talk to your girlfriend. And, talk to your girlfriend. Well, everyone that came here through Khan, thank you for visiting us. We're coding, or at least we're trying to code, so welcome. And welcome, and sit back, relax, tray tables up. Put your seats in an upward position. I forgot what we were doing. Thank you, Khan. Up until 1025. So did we do this? We did do this. Yeah, we did do that. Okay, hold on. Where is that? Go up, 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 up. We can delete you now. Now I just want to be sure of this maximum width up until 1025 pixels. Block wrap center. Display block, flex wrap, line item centers, justify content center. Let's keep you here though. Let's just, let's transport you down here. Here. Transport you down here. Okay, so this is still doing this. It's because of you. I know. So, you know what? I'm just gonna try and see what it does if I delete you completely. Weirdly enough, you're showing, and I don't want you to show at all. And so you should be in here, I would say. Let's just go back. What's your size again? Inspect. I want you to open up to this side. So 950-ish. So that should be here. Hi, CFI. Welcome to the chat. See, now you've confused me on what you're trying to do, because what you want is change the... Yeah, no, I'm at this point, I'm just trying to get it to look as I want it to look, and now it's working as I wanted it to work. So now I could delete this because, again, I couldn't care less about that piece of shit code. Why are you showing it though? Like, how stupid is this thing? What's my pixels again? This should be, hold on. How can I... Okay, I need to understand how this works. Okay, I think I know what I have to do. I know this is like viewport. I know this is like not what I normally should do, but I need to understand this because it's not working on my secondary monitor. How can you see what the viewport width is on your monitor? What is my viewport? No. So it's 1080 pixels, okay. Why the fuck? Because I'm a twat. That's probably why. No, copy. Paste it. Copy it. I'm a twat. I'm like a twat. Control S and now it's working. Okay. Yeah, it's not the exact monitor pixel, but it did help me because my problem was, and you don't see that screen. I should maybe put some other scenes in my OBS. I'll do that soon. But I have these two monitors on the side, which are Yamaha 24 inches. Yeah, no, it's not. It's giving you the screen size, but it's also giving you the viewport size. But what my problem was, like, I was busy trying to get this CFI for you. I'll just quickly show it. See this little button, which is now not on the right place, but we'll fix that. This expansion button, it should normally, hold on, let me quickly put these screens normal again. Where are you? Oh, for flying fuck sake. Okay, so what I was trying to do was trying to get that expansion button to be gone in certain screen sizes, but be visible in certain other screen sizes, such as, you know, a tablet or a phone. Here, but now it's also gone in iPad Air. Like, why would you do that? Why is that not working properly? Because of this one. Fuck you. Here you go. I couldn't care less. Minimum, maximum. Visibility should not be hidden anymore, so I can delete you, save. There it is. No, that's not what I wanted. But okay. But then that needs to be in the middle, which I also seem to have fucked up. Yeah, I know. I'm like trying my best to really understand it. But what I did now is, with all my copy pasting, I fucked something up. And I wonder where it went to. I use frameworks for these kind of things, by the way, but my solution is not good. I'm missing the details. Which details? The details on. Hold on. If you go to my Discord, in general chat, there's a thread open now where I pasted, I think, a big part of the CSS code, and also a small part, and also a part of the HTML code. By the way, this is probably going to help me though. This little bit of CSS code that we pasted here. No, it's not. Oh, my butt hurts. Fuck. But I know what I did wrong. I know what I did wrong. Yeah. Stretching. I need more than stretching. I need like a proper massage. My neck is hurting as well. I don't know. I tend to make. I tend to do fun stuff for my baby, and she likes when we stick our hand in the air like this and then go, "Hello." So I did that today, but I think I did it a bit too fast, and now my neck hurts. Display. Flex. Flex direction. Was it column? No, it wasn't. Hold on. Let me quickly go up in the chat because we wrote it somewhere. I need to find it back again. Okay, so that's that. Okay, open sidebar, position absolute and top 50%. That's what we did. Sorry, you're right. Position absolute and then top 50%. That's what we did. And now, if I'm right, this should correct it here. Copy pasted. I also want it to be here. And then I also want it to be here. See? And here it's hidden. Okay. Going back in chat, help me. What am I doing? Well, I was doing the same thing that we did before, that we spoke about before. During all the copy pasting, I managed to delete this part of the open sidebar. So whenever it is there, where does it show? Here in the middle. So I deleted that. So this one was up here again. So I went back in the chat to find what we wrote. So position absolute and top 50% to make it come back here again. And if everything is correct, it shouldn't be, yeah, it's working as it should be. Okay. I think, I'll tell you what, I think it's time I take a warm shower for my neck. Go grab myself some painkillers. Well, we're near the end, so we can't get big goals. What kind of big goals? Let's hold on. Let me quickly switch my scene to just chatting. Let me quickly save everything I have. Close my Visual Studio Code. Close everything that we're not using anymore. This one, this one, this one, and this one. By the way, that viewport page, I really like that. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, knowing you would want to make a slider, what kind of slider do I want to make? Picture slider. That time is going to come. By the way, why is my lighting so bad? Why am I so orange like Trump? I really don't know. You got him. Welcome to the chat. So, yeah, what kind of slider are you talking about? Like a picture slider inside my what I do want to do though, not a picture slider, but what I want to do, you know, I have those sections on my webpage. Yeah, no, that we'll look at that sometime on a different time. But what I want to do is I have those sections that cascade down. What I want to do is I want to add a drop down menu in them or on them or wherever. So what I practically want, I want those sections to be boxes, frames with something in it, with a drop down. Once you pick, for instance, let's just say it's a curriculum vitae page. It's like a CV page. That the default view is, for instance, your educational information. I've studied between these two dates at this university, this subject. All right, that's your default view. And then you can choose from the drop down, or maybe indeed by scrolling or sliding, I don't know. You can go to the other pages in that section. So the first page was a very short information on this. Between these dates, I studied at this school, this subject. Next page, what was your thesis? Like, what was your dissertation? What subject did you work on? Detailed explanation. And then, for instance, a third page where you can give your own comments on your education. Like, for instance, that you can start writing some details down there. Like, during my time at the chemistry education, I worked a lot with gas chromatography. I've worked with liquid chromatography. I did organic synthesis, blah 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 blah. That you can write in detail your own whatever you want to write there as comments. So I want to do something like that. So a frame with pages inside. Damn pixels. Which pixels? But yeah, something like that. So a frame with multiple pages inside that frame, which you can scroll through. I want to do something like that and have that somewhere. Viewport pixels. Well, I fixed my thing, so I don't know what you're trying to fix, but you know, you can be a bug hunter. I really love my emojis though. I really like what I did there. Like for instance, these are for the bits. So if people start donating bits, the diamond of course is for the bit champ. Then you have gold bits and you have silver bits. Then the regular emojis, I don't remember which one is for subscriptions and which ones are for followers. I don't remember them anymore. But you have this moving you have this moving one. You have the bug hunter and the hacker. And you have the hello world and whatever whatnot. Plus TeachMeJS and the logo. I think they came out pretty well. I really like them. I think they look nice. National Rebel. Well, just to tell you, we don't like rebels here. I'm joking. We like everyone. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for the follow. Oh, Master Revelgan has given Dobby a sock. Hello, Master Revelgan. Thank you for the subscription. So yeah, that was what I was saying. What was I saying? So yeah, I like how my emotes came out, and now I'm pushing for the next emote round because there's some more emotes that you can get from this. I don't remember exactly, but let me quickly check. Dashboard. Okay, so yeah, as soon as I have 15 subscribers, I get one more standard emote and one more animated emote. So all the emotes are paid? It shouldn't be. Oh no, you're right. You're right. All of them are paid right now, and that is because the free emotes, I can get 5 free emotes, but I can't get them yet. I need to be like a streamer for a month or something like that. I don't remember anymore. Let me quickly check. There was something. Follower emotes are free emotes where your community can grow and, you know, blah blah. Yeah, for direct uploads. At least 60 calendar day. Oh, for affiliates, hold on. For affiliates, has streamed at least 60 days as an affiliate over a rolling 2-year period. Those days do not have to be sequential. New affiliates cannot count time prior to being an affiliate in the 60 unique days. Has not received a... Okay, so what it wants me to do is, now that I'm affiliate, and that would be... I think this would be our 3rd stream since affiliate. Hold Uh, so this would be our third stream since that. We need to stream 57 times more in a 2-year period, which is easily done because I'm streaming once a week at least. So that would be, and of course, there will be days, weeks where I don't stream, but if everything goes well, we're talking about a 1-year period. And after that 1-year period, I should be able to get the free emotes. If by that time, and I really do hope, and we're growing with a lot of very nice people around us, so I think that as long as we stick together with all these people, that will grow together and that will reach partner very fast. Almost 3 hours of your stream. I guess we have to start over. Okay. All right. Let's go. Let's go. All right. It was a good afternoon, but thanks to National Rebel, it's a good evening now. Welcome to my stream. We start all over again. Well, you missed more than 3 hours, though, I have to tell you. But I'll give you a nice link to go to. Go to this link. You'll end up in my link tree. In my link tree, you'll find a lot of nice stuff, including my YouTube link, my Instagram link, my Discord link, Twitch, you're already there, and my website, which is a work in progress, so you don't even need to bother. But go to my YouTube. I upload all of my YouTube videos almost directly. So if I'm correct, we should be seeing episode 6 already uploaded. YouTube Studios, content. Exactly, episode 6 is there. Go watch them. There's like, I don't know how many hours of videos on there. It should show me somewhere, but whatever. Go watch them. They're there. Thank you. National Rebel, I don't know how far down the road you are in coding. Oh, by the way. Oh, we're just chatting. We already were just... I forgot to change our category. Shit. Whatever. Well, if you're wanting to learn National Rebel, that's beautiful because so am I. My name is Hakan. Welcome to the stream. I'm a zero, coding to become a hero. I have many, many nice people around me. Just like, for instance, Loilisi. We have Arduku, and he's hiding somewhere. I know he's hiding somewhere. We have core functions initiated. We have many more streamers around us, like people that teach us, that tell us what to do, that help us in all the coding. I'm trying to create a community where people share code, where people share knowledge, questions. So please stick around. Go to my Discord. If you have any questions, put them in the chat. People that are there, if they have an answer for that, they'll sure as hell help you. If not, I have a second tip. Well, step by step, I'll tell you what, we're taking baby steps. So you need to be prepared to go slow. But we're doing it. I really want to learn how to code. I want to switch around my life. I've been doing chemistry for all my life. I'm the father of a very nice daughter now, 7 months old. And I want to be there for her, not drive around to customers 500 kilometers away. I've had enough of this shit. I really want to stay around for my daughter, so that's why I'm switching around. I want to do something that I can do from home. I love working with computers. I've been doing it since I was 3. I started off with a computer with whatchamacallit, the MS-DOS system. I had a 3.1. I had Windows 95, 98. I've been using computers since I was 3. So it was a very obvious switch that I went to computers. And now I'm starting to learn it. We're starting with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, obviously. For me, they at this moment they are the holy three. And once we have them, I'm sure that once we've built the website that we're building right now, that I'm mostly, well, I won't say seasoned, but I understand what we're doing. So that's what we're heading to. learning how to use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript as good as we can, ready to build website for ourselves. Then we'll see. Maybe we'll go Python. Maybe we'll go C#. Maybe, hey, fuck shit. We're going for AI. We're going to learn how to code AI and work with the AI. I don't know. We're already working with AI, by the way. ChatGPT, our best friend. But stick around, please. No, it's a llama. It's alpaca. Dalai Lama. When my daughter was still not born, when she was still with her mama, we went to a German store called Real, and I saw Dalai Lama there, and I really loved her. I really liked it with the hair and everything. I also like to do my hair to the side. So we went to Real, didn't buy it, went home. Then the second time we went, I saw her again. I wanted to buy her, but I said, you know what? No, we're not gonna buy it. And the third time we went specifically for Dalai Lama. Like, we were at home and I just said, you know what, we need to buy that Dalai Lama for the baby. We went and bought it, and since then it's been here. But the baby is the baby is smaller than Dalai Lama, so we can't yet give it to her to play around. Plus, she eats the hair, so she has a lot of hair sticking out of her mouth at the end. So we're keeping her here as a decor for the stream. So yeah, that's Donald Llama. But yeah, go to my Discord. Stay around. You can ask your questions there. But I wanted to give you a different tip. I'm also going to do a shout out quickly. Today we're shouting out to our visitor. Oh, frick. Oh, frick. CFI. This fucking thing doesn't want to shout out. There. It worked. I'm not just a noob coder, I'm also a noob streamer, so. Oh, Dooku, thank you for the sub. Let me quickly tell you about CFI. So I met CFI through Umut. Let me quickly tell you about Umut before I go over to CFI. CFI is the moderator of Umut. How did I meet Umut? One day I was on Twitch. I was looking for, software and game development streams, and I came across this stream, and in the text it wrote, coding with a Twitch dev. Yeah, well, thank you for the sub, Dooku. But yeah, so it wrote coding with a Twitch dev. So I was like, Twitch dev? Coding? So I went in there and I saw Umut, Turkish guy from a city called Denizli, who moved to America and is now a Twitch employee. He's a Twitch dev. He lives in San Francisco. Very genuine guy, a very funny guy, very nice streams. And there I met, yeah, exactly. No, that's not the right one. You should be doing this one. Hold on. Copy paste. There it is. So so I met Umut, and it was a very genuine, nice stream. And he's like a good dev. He has a lot of people around him. He's also building a community called the Campus. And there I met Core Functions Initiated, CFI. He's one of his mods, and one day he posted, an announcement that he's streaming. So I joined his stream, and since then, I really like his streams. He doesn't, have himself on the screen because he really likes to focus on his code. But every now and then, if you get enough loyalty points, you can order the potato. And the potato is a special dish. He serves it very hot. he has a filter where he looks like a potato on the screen, and like he has music on, and you're just seeing a potato on the screen dancing like this. He's dancing on the screen and he's coding at the same time, and he's like dancing and dancing. And I don't know, I really like the guy, and I'm very happy that he's here today visiting us. So please go see Core Functions Initiated stream as well. He does Turkish streams, but I'm sure that if you ask him an English question, he'll answer you back. If not, he has my whisper, so he can whisper at me. CFI, are you going to stream today, by the way? Because I keep missing your streams. Not missing, but you generally do a stream after me, but it's always a few hours after me. Are you going to stream anytime soon today? Yes, when? Five minutes. Okay, you go and set up. We know where we're going to. I'm starting the raid alert already. We're raiding. Where are you? Lead the raid. CFI. This is where we're going to. Today I'm taking over. But please go, when we're going to raid, please go to CFI, follow him. Even if you're not going to watch him continuously, maybe it's not something for you, maybe it's too advanced, maybe it's something else, I don't know. But at least follow us. Follow everyone you go to, follow everyone in the raid you go to. It's not for the points, it's for the person on the other side receiving the raid. Because as soon as they receive a raid, what happens? A few things happen. One, Twitch knows, okay, someone is rating this guy. Maybe he is relevant for a lot of people. Maybe we need to put them on the first page of Twitch so people can go there. So we end up in recommended. So that's what happens when you get rated. You end up recommended. But what happens mostly is, and I'm sure that CFI will acknowledge what I'm going to say now. What happens most is once you get rated, with how many people it is, doesn't matter. Of course, the more the better. Once you get rated, you get a feeling of, oh wow, someone is rating me. You get happy. It gives you more energy to continue that stream. Once people that join you from that raid also start following you, it gives you a lot more energy. It just, you just feel like, okay, I'm doing something right. People are following me. It just gives us the energy to continue. So please, once if someone you watch raids a channel, go there. Please give them a follow. And maybe you don't want to watch them. There's always a notification icon. You can shut off the notifications. That doesn't matter that much. As long as, you just show them the love. We need the love, especially the smaller streamers. If you go to a streamer that has 10k people watching him at that moment and 50k people chatting, well, that's not possible, but you understand. That one follow maybe doesn't change a lot for them, but for the smaller streamers, it does a lot. It affects a lot. So that's why I'm also happy that when my brother rated me with 4 people, it's not that much, but it feels good. It feels good. Yeah, you should. CFI is really funny. I really like him, really. So CFI is one of the people I wanted to show love to. Another person I really want to show love to is, let me quickly see if I can write this correctly. So B7H30, Theo. So his name is, for your information, is Theo. Yeah, I know. Today we streamed at about the same times, unfortunately, but Theo is also a very nice streamer. He's also a very social person, so he talks with his chat. I think he talks a lot with his chat, sometimes even too much. He's not coding that much, but that maybe is a good thing as well, because chatting with these people come to see you and they want to talk with you as well. They want to do stuff with you. So I find Theo to also be a very good streamer. Please go and visit him as well. follow him. He's nice. He codes a lot as well. I have a lot of fun going there as well. And I met Roylisi via Theo, and also Arduku also came via Theo, as far as I remember. So I've got two of my most favorite viewers, and I don't have favorites, but you know, I need to also say nice things about them because they help me a lot. No, but I have two of my favorite viewers are from there as well. So I'm very happy that to have Theo raid me a few times as well. So benefits, yeah. We're I'm the streamer and you're the viewer with benefits. CFI, you start up. We're coming in a minute. Who's that? Bagramo Hype. Okay, I don't know who that is, but yeah, I saw it. Wait, we'll come in a minute. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you again for being here today. Like I said, I have a YouTube, I have an Instagram. I sometimes do some stuff via Instagram. What am I doing? To give you a quick example, hey, let's go to my Instagram. I'll show you. Let's just put this page here. Let's just put my OBS down here again. Let's start my coding page. Instagram. So what I do via Instagram is sometimes I also have polls, which we did this week. Let me see. Can I see in my archive? No, I can't. But so we did a poll, and in my poll, I asked this week if I should be doing here maybe, no, if I should be doing the sidebar thing, and people voted. So I sometimes put some stuff there as well. I share some pictures. This is my streaming setup, by the way. As you can see, two very nice 24-inch Iyama screens on the side, my big TV here, and my laptop-y. That's how it's right now. So the struggle I have sometimes with this small desk, but whatever. But I put some things on here as well, so please go see it. And maybe there will be a poll again in the future, and then you can say what you want. Go to my Discord, go to my YouTube. I post my videos on there almost immediately. So once we're done here, I'm going to take the recording and just put it up on YouTube. So that's for, hold on, that's for National Rebel. He missed a lot of hours, so he can start watching now. We'll see him next week. Fully up to date. So yeah, that's it for today for me. That was a nice stream. 3 hours again. Yeah, please do. Please do. So we had a very nice stream again. 3 hours of coding, learning new things. Again, thanks to Roylisi, Arduku, and many others that joined our stream. We got rated once by my little brother, Yanchar TV. Please go watch him. As soon as I start the raid, I'll put his link down as well. He does, as I said, War Thunder and Warzone streams. Thank you for joining me today. Let me quickly put this here as well. This is the profile to my little brother's stream. Go watch him if you want battle scenes from Warzone and War Thunder. Thank you for being here today. I'm going to go outside. It snowed a lot. Let's do some snowball fights and end the day on a high. Thank you for being here. Goodbye. See you next week. 2 o'clock Sunday, Central European Time. Goodbye!